Finally scored on the Black Bolt Pokemon and poster collection, Black and White Bolt Flare Scarlet Violet. I was just there and they were just stocking on a Wednesday, so thank God. So we got the new Pokemon poster collection, Scarlet and Violet, Black and Bolt and White Flare. I better open it up. Poster. Virtual poster. Cool poster it came with. All the Scarlet and Violet Pokemon pretty much. Super cool. Other side of the poster. Black Bolt. White Flare. Very nice. Finally got them from weeks of scavenging in Target and Walmart in 2 cities. But they were in. Got the box right here. Let's give it a open, see what we got inside. So I haven't got one of these booster packs yet on this series. So this is my first one of this booster pack. See how it goes. Let's do the lucky shuffle. Kofari, yes. Ooh, that was nice. Reverse Hollow. Levonia. Reverse Hollow. Keldeo X. Wow, this is a good one right here. Nice. That's a hitter right there. Banger. Stars. Very shiny. Green Energy. DeWalt. Sadloon. Zoruya. Heedleer. Stunfish. Stunfisk. Swabat. Liepard. Aww. Awesome, awesome.